everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it is my refreshers week, so I literally have no lectures. I'm so lucky though, because my friends actually have lectures this week, which means I'm gonna be bored. Well, not bored, I have a lot of things to get going and doing, especially for my blog. I have a lot of things I'm working on with some brands and things that I want to work on myself. Yeah, I just thought I'd vlog today so you could just see what I get up to. I just wanted to show you actually, I've revamped my blog. I actually paid for a new design of my blog. It is so beautiful and so much different to my other one. I'm writing a post about it to upload tomorrow, but yeah, this is my new layout and I really like it. I love this like sliding banner at the top. If anyone wants to go check out my blog, it's always linked down below, but it's www.scarletslippersblog.co.uk. Yeah, here are some of my recent posts. I just really like my new layout. And I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you actually read my blog posts as well, because I know a lot of people prefer video content and watching rather than reading. Like, I just know that's like a given fact now, and people just prefer to watch things. But I'm just intrigued to see if people actually read my posts, because I really do love writing and it's one of my passions. Anyway, Hattie's just made me a tea, bless her, and I'm really excited to drink this because it's freezing today. It's such an awful rainy day outside, look. It's raining so much. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with some blog work and speak to you later. We've also got our delivery coming, which is exciting, and I've got to go do a few things. I had to ring up the bank because I forgot my PIN for my card, which was quite embarrassing. And I locked my PIN, so I've had to sort that out, but I've just requested a new one. That's all sorted. My shower has broken and I've just temporarily fixed it myself so I don't have to crouch whilst I have a shower. I'm going to sort that out later on in the week properly, but I've temporarily fixed it, so it's going to be okay for now. Yeah, I need to go to the post office today. I need to do a few things, so yeah, I'll take you along with me, but for now I'm going to write my blog post and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, so I've just booked my blood donor, so I've just got my confirmation and I'm going in late March just because there's not any appointments like anywhere close by that don't clash with my timetable, which is annoying. So I'm going on the 19th of March and at 2:20, so I'm really excited. I'm going to definitely document it when I go there, letting you guys know that I've actually booked my blood donation appointment. I am a bit terrified, but I'm going to get over it because it's going to help someone's life and it's going to be so rewarding. Right, so I've just gone and collected the post that I've been meaning to collect for the past couple of days, and I had to go to the weird post room instead of our usual post office. They're like really rude in the place where I just went. I'll tell you about it as soon as I get back, but I just don't get it. Why are people like that? Especially when it's their job. Like, if you really didn't like it, why don't you just change your job? I know it's not as simple as that, but I don't know. I'll explain more when I get back home. Right, before I open my parcel, I thought I'd quickly just tell you about the guys at the post office. So where I live is Lincoln Courts, for those wondering, and we share a post office with Signet Wharf, which is another student accommodation. Pretty much they're right next to each other, and we basically share an accommodation office, which is also like a post office for us. So we go collect our post there and everything. That's where we mainly go and collect our post. I go there a couple times a week to collect like blogger mail and parcels that I obviously buy, but I'm not really buying much at the minute because I'm really poor. The train from January to April, I'm pretty much poor. That was so irrelevant. I don't know why I told you that. Anyway, I'm poor, so I haven't really been buying parcels. I've just been getting like blogger mail, but I've like had quite a lot since January has started. Quite a lot of companies have been contacting me for like New Year posts and stuff to do with like Valentine's and stuff. And I obviously celebrate Valentine's because me and my boyfriend have been together for almost 5 years now. So yeah, I always love doing a little like Valentine's gift card on my blog and stuff to do with that. Anyway, but sometimes Royal Mail don't deliver to the post office that it's supposed to. Like my one, it goes to like the main mail room, which is inside like the main university building called the Minerva building. You might have heard me mention it before if you've seen my campus tour. But yeah, I walked to there with Hattie and some of her friends from our psychology course, We just walked there. I just thought I'd walk with them, might as well like walk with them on the way because they were going around that area, blah blah blah. So I went into the mailroom and I hate it in there because the men who work in there, I'm sorry, they just are so rude. Like, I can't even express how rude these men are. They will just ignore you or frown at you and just be like generally rude, like the way they talk to you. So I went in there before, like another time when my mum had sent me some stuff that I wanted. So she sent like some of my baking stuff for me and my friends to do stuff at uni. And I went to go collect my parcel there because I knew 100% it was there because my mum had paid for next day delivery and I knew it was going to be there. And I went in there and I was like, oh, my post office have directed me to you because they said my parcel will be here. And they were like, no it won't, as if like they're not a mail room. Like, they're just like, no it won't be there, but okay, I'll go check. Like, the way they speak is just awful. So, and then the guy went and checked and he brought me my parcel and I was like, you gonna say sorry, like, because you just said that my parcel's not going to be here. The way they talk is just awful. Today when I went, I literally had everything out because I had my little slip that said that my parcel was definitely there, so at least he couldn't use that as an excuse. I had my student ID card out so it could prove it was me, and I handed it over and he was on the phone when I got there and I was like, oh, that's fine, like he could be on a break, I don't know, I don't really know. I was just patient, I was just standing there waiting, like at the office where no one else was, and he went, I'll be like, and he kept like looking at me as if like he wanted me to speak, and then I went, can I collect my parcel? And then he went, I'll be with you in a second. I don't know, he was just very snappy and stuff, and then he gave me it and he was like, bye. He was like, there you go, bye. And then he told me like to sign my stuff. I don't know, they're so rude in there. Anyway, I've got my parcel, I'm gonna get over that. I just feel like people, if that's your job, surely, like, you know you're in a mail room, so why are you being like, oh, I don't know. They're just really rude to everyone who ever goes in there. Like, at least 4 people have said it that I know, so. Anyway, I'm gonna open my parcel, and also, he kind of like slid it on the surface and it was like upside down when it says it has to be this way up, so it's obviously something delicate. I can't even remember. I literally have not in a braggy way at all, but like I have quite a lot of parcels coming, but I'm actually unsure as to like what it could even like. So yeah, I have no idea what this is going to be because I have quite a few parcels coming. So let's open this together. I'll get my scissors. Yeah, I just quickly did my makeup before I go because I'm going to be filming a video in a minute, a main channel video, so I'm all stocked up because I just want to have like lots of content ready in case like when I get all my work it gets really crazy. This is really hard to open. Oh, it's really heavy. In the bubble wrap there were these 2 little tissued items, so I'm going to open them now and have a look what they are. I think I know now because of the blue wrapping. Here it is. So I think in December, yeah, for my Christmas gift guide, Feather and Down sent me some lovely products over for sleeping. They sent me their sleep balm, sleep spray and sleep shower gel, and they've kindly sent me over some products. So the first thing they've sent me is the soothing body oil. And I'm going to be giving these away on my blog for my Valentine's gift guide. I think my Valentine's gift guide is going up on Friday. I want to say this Friday. I'm going to try and get it up for this Friday anyway. So I've got my Valentine's gift guide coming up very soon. If you want to win some of these like really luxurious like beauty goodies, then make sure to check out my blog on Friday. So this is the soothing body oil with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils. So their products essentially help you to get to sleep. They include lots of ingredients to help like soothe and relax you. But yeah, I have never tried the body oil, so this is the first thing that you could possibly be winning. Oh my god, yes, I forgot this. And then the other thing that they're allowing me to give away is this gorgeous Feather and Down calming candle. So if you know me, I love a good candle, but it sucks because at uni we're not allowed to actually light candles in our rooms as it will set the fire alarm off. But I think I'll be able to next year when I move into my house with my friends for 2nd year. But yeah, I am a lover of candles, and as soon as I got home, a candle was on every night. It just makes me feel so relaxed, and I just love like full scents. And again, this is chamomile and lavender. I'm just obsessed with the packaging. I think it's so like beautiful. And yeah, you can be winning these if you check out my blog on Friday. The rules will probably be something along like subscribing to my blog and YouTube channels, because that's what I usually do anyway, as it's just like really simple to enter, and then I have all your details on record and I can contact you as soon as I know. But yeah, the giveaway will probably run for like a couple weeks, so you can get your goodies before Valentine's Day, whether you've got a partner or not. Valentine's is a time to celebrate love, so if you don't have a partner and always feel like sad about it, you can do stuff with your friends and stuff. I know me and my friends are going to go out, even though like I do have a boyfriend. I'm going to go out with my friends on Valentine's because I'm not going to go see my boyfriend on the actual day. We're going to celebrate a little bit before because his birthday is a few days before anyway. So we're going to celebrate both then. But yeah, I'm really excited to be giving these away. I love doing giveaways because it means a lot that I get to give back for people who support my blog and stuff. So yeah, make sure to check out Friday if you want to win my giveaway.
Ding, 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 happy and glorious.
Thank you. You're the happiest puppy in the world.
Thank you, Morrisons.
So we just got our Morrisons shop. There's literally like 8 bags. How many bags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we've decided to go a little bit healthy this time.
Yeah.
Haven't we? Because we want to improve our lifestyle.
Yeah.
It won't work a lot.
Okay, let's go for each bag.
We'll
all 5 out.
Yeah, okay. I decided to buy 5 tomato soups because they were on an offer and there's no added sugar. Did you get any?
I got
vegetable.
These Eat Smart ones.
Yeah, same.
3 tomato and 3 bean. Chunky. Did you get chunky veg?
Yeah, chunky
Yeah,
veg.
Hat got chunky veg. Oh, I got chunky veg as well.
Oh.
Chickpea and spinach, which I feel like is going to be gross. And another chunky veg.
Whose is this?
That's mine and Hat.
Yeah.
Got one as well.
Okay, so Megan and Hattie got some sun-ripened tomato and basil pasta.
These are actually
Basil.
so yum. Like
Oh,
I got one of these the other day when they were not in there.
Might as well just get them out of the bags.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Oh, who got soya milk? Is that you, Hat?
That was me.
That was me.
Go vegan. See?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got some free-from gluten-free seasoned curly fries. As a healthier alternative. I might have some of them tonight, actually.
Yeah. I got some corn chicken nuggets. Corn nuggets.
Did you get Hat?
Yay! Corn cocktail sausages.
And corn nuggets.
They are so good. I'm gonna eat
These are better than chicken nuggets.
Oh my god. Woo! Okay, so these are my smoothie mixes. I decided to get this green smoothie one with banana, kale and mango.
Is that everything?
Blueberry, strawberries, mangoes and raspberries. I'm so excited about these.
Oh.
These are my gluten-free chicken goujons.
Oh my god, I should put some of them.
Meg.
Oh, what?
Some pomegranate.
What? I didn't know that was what?
6 for a pound.
Oh,
I saw on Twitter a video how to
I don't know if I like
cut these.
what do you do?
It's like a little hack. It's all in like little. Can you see those little like bits now?
Yeah.
All filled with little seeds, and then you put them in your porridge, and it's happy. Whoa! Yeah.
We both got spiralized sweet potato.
It's like a pasta substitute. Chips and pasta substitute.
I got tender stem broccoli, baby corn and fine beans.
That's exciting.
Me and I got these, didn't we?
Yeah. Do we? Yeah. Mine's vanilla.
So it's dairy-free yogurt. Go vegan, kids.
Don't.
There you go.
Oh, yes!
Oh!
I got some Eat Smart croissants.
What is the Eat Smart?
I'm
It's
so
like,
excited. Just cheap,
low
less,
fat, yeah.
low fat and less calories.
Charlotte.
I wanted a healthier snack option, so I got 1 little pack of chalky buns.
gluten-free.
That are gluten-free. I'm getting gluten-free milkshakes.
1 naked breakfast bar, lemon drizzle
That
flavour.
sounds nice. What's in it? Like, what flavours are in it?
Okay, so it's got dates, raisins, almonds, coconut, cashews and lemon. Gluten-free breadsticks, because I like a
You
snack.
got green tea?
Me.
I need some more green tea.
I got green tea.
I've got gluten-free.
We got gluten-free brown pasta because it's whole grain. It's better for you.
Brown rice penny, I don't know what that means. My bread,
That is so
genius
massive. That
bread.
bread.
£2.
These are mine! Yay! I'm really excited for these. So I've got wholemeal pita breads because I like pita bread as like a snack. I really should get some hummus.
They're upside down though.
Wait.
Is hummus bad?
I'm shook off.
No, it would have exploded.
wait.
Yay!
That's fine.
Baby leaf!
Dippy egg time. I stripped them, that was good.
But just sliced greens, which are just.
Oh, I should have got some of them as well. I got baby leaf salad.
Oh yeah.
Like
What's
a-
the date?
What'd you get?
Oh, I know. I've got 3 days. 2
15.
years. And me and Hatman got Eves. I got spicy bean
They
burgers.
look nice.
I got 4 chicken burgers because I
I
love
might have them
these.
tonight. Oh, I don't want to tonight.
Yeah, I've got too much food now.
I really want to eat all of these sausages in one go.
Yeah, I'm really, they're really nice.
100%
I'm gonna put them in the fridge.
No, wait, did I even start recording? Yeah, I did.
Can I be sponsored by these people?
Yeah.
Can they send me free ones? 'Cause
Yeah.
they're expensive.
Hatman wants to get sponsored by Naked, so if you're watching, please sponsor Hatman. Okay.
Wait, I'll hold this.
No added sugar, that's good.
Yeah.
And 25% less salt.
So I'm having my no added sugar tomato soup for dinner, and I'm using my old black pita breads before I go into my whole meal mode.
Yeah.
My fibre overload. What are you having for dinner, Megs?
Bean burgers with sweet potato swirlies
Okay.
and some greenies.
And Hatman's not sure, right? Oh, she's cooking over there.
My mum made a slimming world beef curry.
Oh, that's good.
There's some vegetable that's I don't know what the name of it is.
That's good.
And then I'm having greenies.
Green.
I'm gonna need your.
Sponsor us, Morrisons. Please.
You're like joking, but I'm not joking.
Please. Please. Right, so we've been watching Luther for a few hours. I am obsessed with it. Like, it's literally one of my favourite TV shows ever now. I'm so happy that Megan and Hattie introduced me to it. My boyfriend's watched it before and he's recommended it, but I've just never had time to like sit down and watch a series, and because I have so much free time just before I start my new modules at uni, I just thought why not, and we've got into it and we've watched so many episodes. I feel like we'll finish it before the end of this week, which is amazing. Like, I'm so excited because apparently there's season 5 getting filmed currently. So for now I'm going to read one of my new books. I'm reviewing lots of books on my blog. I can't remember if I spoke about it on here, but I'm doing lots of like blog book tours, which means that I get given a specific day and authors will contact me and I'll read their books, like newly published books or books that are going to be published within the year, and I read them and review it, so you guys can go and purchase it yourselves whenever it comes out or if you're interested. But yeah, I'm starting with this one. It's called Ivon, and I think it's a dystopian novel. I'm pretty sure it is anyway, and I'm so excited to read it. I'm going to start it tonight and then get some sleep. I've been FaceTiming Aiden as well for the past hour, catching up with him because we don't get to speak as much as obviously we used to. It's quite sad actually, because we used to be with each other pretty much every day, and now we sometimes don't even have the time to talk to each other at all, and because we're so busy with our lives, but that's fine. Like, obviously still love him and everything. I know it's cringe, but uni, I'm really happy that he's doing so well at uni as well. He goes to Imperial College in London, which is insane. It's like the 3rd highest uni in the country. He's doing so well, bless him, but it's such hard work, which means that he's constantly focused on his degree. I know I should probably be, but mine's not as intense as him, obviously. So he's doing physics, by the way. Did I just say that? I don't even know anymore. I think I might vlog tomorrow, as we are going up to the cathedral, and I think we're going to have a little wander up Steep Hill and have a proper look in all the independent shops, because we haven't had a proper look in all of the individual shops up the high street, and when it hasn't been so busy. Like the Lincoln Christmas market was insane, everything was packed, so we're going to have a nice chilled walk up there after Megan and Hattie have come back from lectures. And yeah, I think it'll be really nice, so I'm going to take you guys along with us. I think it's going to be really cute, so yeah, I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Night.